The power of belief, igniting your inner flame. Friends, dreamers, changemakers. We all share a common battleground, the battlefield of the mind. On one side, a fierce warrior, belief. On the other, a cunning enemy, self-doubt. Today, we raise the banner of belief and learn how to crush self-doubt to achieve goals beyond our wildest dreams. Belief is the unseen force that propels us forward. It's the unwavering conviction that whispers, "You can do this," even when the world shouts otherwise. It's the fire in our bellies that fuels our ambition and guides us through challenges. But self-doubt, that sly serpent, slithers in, whispering insecurities and painting pictures of failure. It tells us we're not good enough, not smart enough, not brave enough, not wise enough. It holds us back from taking that leap of faith, from reaching for our true potential. Let's be honest, self-doubt visits us all. But the key isn't to avoid it. It's to overcome it. Here are 3 weapons to add to your arsenal. Number 1, reframe your inner critic. That voice in your head. It doesn't have to be your truth. Challenge those negative thoughts. Ask yourself, would I talk to a friend this way? Replace negativity with affirmations. I am capable. I am worthy. I will succeed. Number 2, focus on progress, not perfection. The path to achieving goals is rarely a straight line. There will be bumps, detours, and setbacks. But don't let them define you. Celebrate every step forward, every milestone reached, no matter how small. Number 3, surround yourself with believers. Negativity is contagious, but so is belief. Seek out those who see your potential, who champion your dreams, and who celebrate your victories. Let their belief ignite your own inner flame. Now, let's talk about the fuel for your belief engine. Effective goal setting. Goals aren't just wishes whispered in the dark. They are clear, actionable roadmaps that guide you towards your desired destination. Start by setting SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down your dreams into manageable steps, track your progress, and celebrate each milestone. This sense of accomplishment fuels your belief and keeps you motivated. But achieving your goals requires effective time management. Every minute is a precious resource. Prioritize ruthlessly, delegate tasks when possible, and schedule time for both work and rest. Remember, a well-rested warrior is a victorious warrior. So, my friends, let us embark on this journey together. Let's silence the voice of self-doubt and embrace the power of unwavering belief. Let's set SMART goals, manage our time effectively, and watch our dreams blossom into reality. The world needs your unique talents, your unwavering spirit, and your audacious goals. Believe in yourself, relentlessly pursue your dreams, and together, let's create a future fueled by the power of belief. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate his video, please like, subscribe and comment so that we can notify you when our next video is published.